So this is the second floor addition. We're just finishing up in the Scarborough area. I'm sure for those who have been following this project, you already know some of the stages that we've been posting in the past. So this is a 3-bedroom upstairs and a den. So it's one of the bedroom overseeing the garage and second bedroom. And we have the bathroom, which is my absolute favorite part of this project. Gotta love the tile, handpicked by the client. They did a fantastic job. So these are subway tiles, vertically stacked. Gotta love the faucet. And these are hexagon tiles on the floor, on the sheet. We got a bar drain over there. We're actually gonna have the freestanding tub here. Look at that, beautiful. And then we added a skylight as well as part of the framing for the whole entire house. And then these are, we're gonna have a double sink vanity with a side cabinet on both sides. And then we have the toilet room here, black toilet. Gotta love the floor tiles. These are tiles that looks like hardwood. And then we have, I believe this is the main bedroom here, overseeing the backyard. As I said before, that's a freestanding tub over there. And this is the office room. Here, the orange color. And there's a hallway, and this goes downstairs. Stay tuned.